Here we're asked to solve this linear system. First thing I'm going to do is put it in slope-intercept form. So the first equation, x plus y equals -1. Solving for y, I would first subtract x, leaving me with y equals -x minus 1. So that's its equivalent in slope-intercept form. Now let's look at the second equation. The second equation says -2x minus 2y equals 2. A number of ways to solve this, but I'll first add 2x to both sides. Leaves me with -2y equals 2x plus 2. Okay, and then dividing by -2, that leaves me with y on the left side, right? 1y. Here, when you divide by -2, you have to divide both of those terms. So 2 divided by -2 is -1x. 2 divided by 2 is -1. So the equivalent system here, you can see, consists of two lines which happen to be the same line. When I solve for y on both of these original equations, I get y equals -x minus 1. So if I were to actually graph this up, you'll be able to see that these two lines are actually the same line. And if we're looking for the simultaneous solutions, well, the points where they cross, they're sort of going to cross everywhere, aren't they? So that tells me this is going to be a dependent system. There's going to be infinitely many solutions to this. So let's graph them up really quick just to see. The y-intercept is 0, -1. The slope is -1, down 1 over 1. Okay, so this would be the graph of the first line. Use a straight edge. And if I were to actually graph the second line, I'd get the same 2 points determine a line, and the lines would exactly coincide like that. Okay, so if the original two lines are actually the same line, the simultaneous solutions are all the points where they cross. So we're going to get infinitely many ordered pairs here for our solution. And when you express your answers, you always want to express your answers for these in set notation, okay? X comma, well, all the points, all the ordered pairs look like this, x comma y. Now instead of y, we're going to use x comma mx plus b because we have y solved for. So the solutions can be expressed in terms of x in terms of the independent variable. Okay, so for our example, the answer here are going to be all the ordered pairs x comma mx plus b, in our case -x minus 1. So choose any x value you want, plug that in, and you'll get an ordered pair solution to the original system.